Good morning, everyone. We've got some really loud birds here this morning, so excuse the noise. It's always something loud at my house. A child, a bird, something. But this morning, I just got back from a trip, and I had a box waiting for me from Succulents Depot, and I had been waiting to order from them because I heard that their prices were good. So I went on the website, checked everything out. The prices do seem to be very good. Did hear a few things about the customer service. This package did arrive later than I thought it would. I sent an email, and the customer service did take a while to respond and tell me that it was shipped out late because there was a lot of orders. I don't really mind late shipping. I only minded because I was going on a trip. I don't really mind if the prices are good, so I may continue to order from them as long as the plants are good. That's the most important part, right? So let's see what we got. So we do a little bit of soil popping out, which of course there should be. The plants after all, right? I don't even really remember what I ordered, to be honest. So we are going to find out together. It looks like they're individually wrapped and bare root. So we do get that present. Ooh, maybe not entirely bare root. We do see some dirt. We do get that present vibe. I know that I did order a number of sedum. So I'm gonna try to keep as much of the dirt in the package as possible. So let's, oh, okay. So this is, oh, these look bad. Well, they probably can come back to life though, hopefully. Hopefully. I know some are shaking off. So this is one of the like Atlantis ones that I had been wanting to get because they have the really beautiful scalloped edges and the white and green, a little bit of pink on the ends. So I'm gonna get these into soil as quick as possible and hope I can revive them. This might be this might be another customer service call here. Would have been pretty if it was hydrated. Yeah, with the leaves falling off, that's kind of rough. We're gonna set that aside. We're gonna leave them all on here because they are all covered in dirt. So don't want to get it all over the patio if possible. I'm a little nervous for the other ones. I may have ordered 2 of those, so I'm going to go ahead and assume that they both look like that. So that way I'm not disappointed. But again, if it's just a dehydration factor, I don't mind that much because I know I can just get them back to life. But if it's, can't come back to life, that warrants a customer service call. Especially because if they are packaged up nicely, they shouldn't be damaged too much if they're good quality too. All right, and another sedum. And again, I know a lot of sedum do not travel well, so I expected this one to look a little messy also. So this one was the dragon's blood color one. It's probably hard to even see because it's all covered in soil too. I'm gonna have to do another video when these are looking a little bit prettier. But these are, I'll zoom in on what they're kind of supposed to look like. So it's dark red, beautiful color. But they're so stretched out too. Yeah, so far, in terms of quality, I'm not so sure how I feel about this, but I'm gonna try to get them back to life. Oh, maybe this is the direction I should be holding it. All right, they do look a little better when I hold it in this direction, although there are some down here. So I'm gonna have to figure out which way to plant this. But I do really love the color on these. The edges are scalloped also. I was looking for some more colorful sedum because I do have a bunch of green, and I wanted to put ones with color in there, which is why I got these 2. From ordering sedum with other companies, they usually come looking a little ratty. But they also propagate really quickly, so again, my daughter's coming out to check on me. She's gonna say, "Mama, what is that?" See my sedum so far, Alicia? A little messy looking. We'll fix them. No worries. All right, so we have some leaves down here. no problem there, because we can always help them out. Let me put this down while I get it out, because I believe, I'm remembering now, got some crested ones that were really cheap. So in a lot of these like blogs, everyone kind of goes wild for crested ones. I'm not usually all about them, but they look really nice. Gonna look into them. All right, well, this one's packaged more nicely, although a lot of the leaves are still falling off. So this is a crested. I think this is a cubic frost, actually. And it does look silly because of the crest, but it's definitely in better condition than the sedum. A number of the leaves are broken off, yes, but that's okay because these can propagate also, and obviously it needs to be watered. So we gotta get these all watered. Lots of leaves there. Get garbage over. All right, we still got a bunch more to go. Okay, this one is in. I'm really interested to see if the ones in the soil are packaged better. Any colors here? What do you think of this box so far? Hmm? Of all these plants. You like any of them? Or they look, oh, okay. So the ones, which is interesting because usually the ones in the pots with all the soil are the messiest looking ones, and this one actually looks pretty nice, right? Another good color. So this one I'm happy with. Just a little covered in soil and dehydrated. That's cool. So maybe I like them packaged in boxes better. Which is funny because for other companies, the ones in the boxes are usually the worst. Okay, so we could be winning here with the next few ones because there's a couple more in pots. I actually kind of love that I don't remember what I ordered because it makes the game look fun. All right, let's see. All right, this one's intact. With some leaves, not fully intact, I guess. This one is a lovely rose, which I guess it looks a little like one, even though it's a tiny bit stretched out already, which I don't think it should be. Again, we'll do some watering and checking on them later. A couple days to see if they look better, because usually they do. So I'm gonna try to suspend judgment until then. But again, the prices were low. They were much lower than the online companies that I generally, oh, this one's nice, that I generally get from. So this one is a good quality one here. This is one of the Haworthia, the only Haworthia I ordered in this case. I generally order Haworthia. But this one's really nice. And got a bunch of babies. See, this is what I want to see all of them look like. Packaged well, good condition, no leaves off, a little bit of dry leaves at the bottom, but that's, any plant, that's to be expected. That one's really pretty. I'm happy with that one. I wasn't going to buy that one, but I kind of can't help it with Haworthia. Here, two more to go. Oh, I thought that one would be a little bit bigger. Okay, so this is one of the ones I had been looking for. Variegated. I think they call it like a T-tubins or something like that. But it's really pretty where it doesn't quite look like this. So again, another one I'm gonna water. I can see leaves down in the soil there, so maybe it'll look nicer. Actually, I feel like I might have, did I get two of these? I got a double of something else. So this next one is a double of one of these. And hopefully it looks better than whichever one it is. Here's the last one. I'm gonna line them up and get some water into them because they really need it. And they were coming from California to Florida, so they had a little bit of a journey. And then, so I wasn't able to get them out of the package right away, but it was not long enough for that to really make a significant difference. These are tall, so I'm a little worried. What is that? I don't even know what this one is supposed to be. I don't even know what this one is supposed to be. I think it's some sort of sedum. Wow, there's a lot of leaves at the bottom. And it's very stretched out, but I don't remember if I ordered this. I guess I must have. And I think I ordered 2 that were crested, but this is certainly not crested. Oh, interesting. One of these many is crested. Okay, that's not what I expected. So I did order another crested one, and clearly it came in a group where only one small one was crested. I don't think I'm mad about that. I think I actually like that better, since I'm not like the biggest fan of crested ones. And I got a bunch of leaves at the bottom. Okay, at least now I figured out what was happening here. I was like, wait a minute, I did not order this, but in fact I did. And this crested one I think is really cute because it's not enormous. It looks really pretty like this. Interesting. All right, well that is my order. So what I am realizing for Succulents Depot, the prices are cheaper. I mean, that's a definite. So that's important to know. But I guess kind of you get what you pay for a little bit. Some of the more expensive ones do. Companies have the best shipping, as they should, right? And the best customer service, as they should. But if you're going for some that are less money, you don't have as much money to work with, you might want to take a chance. With this company, I again am going to water these and see if I can get some of these back to life, especially this one, because this one's a little sad. But sometimes watering can completely bring them back to life. This one as well. And then this one, I think once I clean it up, it actually won't be too bad, because there are a lot of individual ones on here. They're just kind of facing in different directions. That one I don't think is too bad. This one I also want to get back to life because it looks really sad. The ones in the back, these 3 in the back, I'm happy with. These couple in the front, kind of need to address. And these 2. But it's a pretty grouping of plants. I don't usually get this much variety. I usually just stick to my Orthia. But I'll zoom in on the crested ones for those of you who are interested. And this is a really large crest, a cubic crest. Oh, and it's kind of, see, it's kind of broken there too. Yeah, I'm not as happy with that one. Good thing I like the other one. And also, a bunch of leaves to work with, so I am happy when that happens. Would be really pretty if it was not falling apart. Another little crest piece. I wonder if I should try to remove that one and reroot it, because this one at some point might become an issue. Another little cute crested one, and it's buddy with the other stretched out ones. See the flattening there. And then the head of the plant's really pretty. Funny, because this one confused me the most, but I actually like it. These 2 are really beautiful. These 2 need a little water, as well as these. So I can kind of see maybe what they'll look like a little bit better there. Oh yeah, those are just jumping off. Please do not make weird noises. Thank you. All right. So that's today's order. I'm gonna get to work on getting some of them back to life. Thanks for watching.